Today, we are diving into a topic that can revolutionize your productivity and bring more balance into your life. We're talking about the power of having a life schedule. Having a life schedule brings structure and clarity to your day-to-day activities. It helps you prioritize your tasks, manage your time effectively, and achieve your goals with less stress. So if you're ready to unlock your full potential and make the most out of each day, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Adulthood Authenticated, the place that helps you to be a better adult. Here are the 6 steps for creating a life schedule. Step 1. Define your goals and priorities. When it comes to creating a life schedule, the first and most important step is to define your goals and priorities. Take some time to reflect on what truly matters to you and what you want to achieve in different areas of your life. This could include career goals, personal growth, relationships, health, hobbies, or any other aspect that holds significance for you. Start by asking yourself some guiding questions. What are your long-term aspirations? What short-term goals do you want to accomplish? What activities bring you joy and fulfillment? What values do you want to prioritize in your daily life? By answering these questions, you can gain clarity on what you truly focus on and accomplish. Once you have identified your goals and priorities, write them down. This will serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. It's helpful to be specific and measurable with your goals. For example, instead of saying, I want to be healthier, you could set a goal of, I want to exercise for at least 30 minutes every day and eat balanced meals. Step 2. Assess your current commitments. Once you have a clear understanding of your goals and priorities, it's important to assess your current commitments. This step will help you gain a realistic view of your existing responsibilities and how they fit into your life schedule. Start by making a list of all your current commitments, including work, school, family obligations, extracurricular activities, and any other regular responsibilities that take up your time. Consider the time and energy these commitments require and how they align with your goals and priorities. Take a closer look at each commitment and evaluate its significance in your life. Ask yourself if it's necessary to continue certain commitments or if there are any that can be adjusted or removed to make room for new activities aligned with your goals. Remember, it's essential to strike a balance between fulfilling your existing commitments and creating space for new endeavors. This step allows you to identify any potential conflicts or time constraints that may arise when crafting your life schedule. Step 3. Create a weekly schedule. Now that you have a solid understanding of your goals, priorities, and current commitments, it's time to put it all together and create a weekly schedule. This schedule will serve as your roadmap, helping you allocate your time effectively and ensure that you make progress towards your goals. Start by dividing your day into blocks of time such as morning, afternoon, and evening. Consider your natural energy levels and when you tend to be most productive. Allocate specific time slots for different categories of activities such as work, personal development, self-care, relationships, and leisure. Begin by assigning time blocks for your non-negotiable commitments such as work or school. Then allocate time for activities aligned with your goals and priorities. For example, if your goal is to improve your physical fitness, designate specific time slots for exercise. If personal growth is important to you, allocate time for reading, learning, or pursuing hobbies. Ensure that you schedule breaks and downtime as well. It's important to give yourself time for rest and relaxation to avoid burnout and maintain overall well-being. Once you have created your weekly schedule, display it somewhere visible or use a digital calendar or planner to keep track of it. Regularly review and adjust your schedule as needed to accommodate any changes or new commitments that may arise. If you are liking the video so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up and stay with us till the very end to know more about the 6 steps for creating a life schedule. Number 4. Prioritize your tasks. Now that you have your weekly schedule in place, it's time to prioritize your tasks within each time block. This step is crucial for maximizing your productivity and ensuring that you focus on the activities that truly matter. Start by making a to-do list for each time block or day, depending on your preference and the level of granularity you desire. Break down your goals and activities into smaller, actionable tasks that you can tackle within the allocated time slots. Next, determine the importance and urgency of each task. Prioritize them based on their alignment with your goals and priorities. Focus on high-priority tasks that contribute directly to your long-term objectives or require immediate attention. Consider using productivity techniques such as the Eisenhower matrix, which categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. This helps you identify which tasks deserve your immediate attention and which can be delegated, postponed, or eliminated. Be realistic about what you can accomplish within each time block. Avoid overloading your schedule with an excessive number of tasks, as this can lead to overwhelm and decreased productivity. Instead, focus on a manageable number of tasks that you can complete effectively. Step 5. Be flexible and realistic. While having a structured life schedule is important for productivity and goal attainment, it's equally important to embrace flexibility and realism. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected events or changes can occur that may disrupt your plans. Being adaptable and realistic in your approach will help you navigate these challenges while maintaining your overall well-being. Understand that your schedule is a guide, not a rigid set of rules. Allow room for adjustments and be open to shifting priorities when necessary. This flexibility will prevent unnecessary stress and frustration if things don't go exactly as planned. Practice self-compassion and set realistic expectations for yourself. Avoid overwhelming yourself with an excessive number of tasks or goals. Instead, focus on a few key priorities and be mindful of your own limitations. Remember that taking care of your physical and mental well-being should always be a priority. If unexpected events or urgent tasks arise, evaluate their importance and impact on your goals. If necessary, reschedule or rearrange your tasks to accommodate these new circumstances. Learn to differentiate between tasks that require immediate attention and those that can be deferred or delegated. Embrace the concept of work-life balance. Dedicate time for self-care, relaxation, and spend quality moments with loved ones. Remember that a well-rounded life schedule includes time for rejuvenation and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Step 6. Review and refine. Creating a life schedule is not a one-time task. It's important to regularly review and refine your schedule to ensure its effectiveness and alignment with your evolving needs and goals. This step allows you to make necessary adjustments and optimize your schedule for optimal productivity and well-being. Set aside time on a regular basis, such as weekly or monthly, to review your schedule. Reflect on how well it worked for you during the previous period and identify any areas that need improvement or modification. Evaluate the progress you've made towards your goals. Celebrate your achievements and acknowledge any challenges or setbacks you encountered. This self-reflection will provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your schedule and help you identify areas of improvement. As you review your schedule, assess whether your goals and priorities have shifted or evolved. Life is dynamic, and your aspirations may change over time. Make adjustments to your schedule to ensure it remains in alignment with your current values and aspirations. Identify any tasks or activities that are no longer serving you or contributing to your goals. It's okay to let go of commitments or habits that no longer bring you joy or align with your current path. Experiment with different strategies or productivity techniques to enhance your schedule's effectiveness. Explore new methods of time management, organization, or prioritization that may better suit your needs. Remember, a life schedule is a living document that should adapt and evolve as you grow. Regularly refining your schedule ensures that it remains a powerful tool for productivity and success. Creating a life schedule is a game changer when it comes to managing your time and achieving your goals. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and adapting as needed. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to join our awesome community. And as always, let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, learn, plan, love.